What's poppin', y'all? Saggy here. You know what the fuck going on. If you clicked on this video, I know you lit, because it's only lit people over here, you feel me? Today's video is pretty relaxed, voiceover only. Y'all know I never do those, but I'm doing one today. This is gonna be my 3-in-1 get ready with me. 3-in-1 being my hair, my makeup, and my outfit in one video. All the details will be below. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know I got y'all always. This is my girl y'all see on the screen right now. Her name is Epps. Y'all seen her in my past videos. She's the one slaying my hair today, and bitch, she killed my shit. Okay, y'all gonna see her work is super clean, and I'm not even just saying that because she's my friend. You know, y'all will just wait and see. She killed that shit. She also does hair on the regular, and she is booked and busy, my nigga. Like, even for myself, it was hard to get an appointment. So if you are in the Montreal area, or if you're planning to come in the Montreal area, you might want to take your appointment in advance if you want a chance. All right. This hair was provided to me by Ali Grace Hair. They contacted me so I could review this for them. And I love the unit. Yo, I've been rocking it for about 2 weeks now, and it's still going super strong. All the details and the link, you know, will be in the description as usual, but I'm gonna mention them right now regardless. This is a 4x4 22-inch burgundy wig. I have never rocked 4x4s before. Like, I did not know what to expect at all, but my girl made my first time a good one, so I'm gonna be rocking them from now on. I really like it. It's also been a while since I've put a bright color wig in my head. I ain't mad at it. Y'all gonna see it looks super good. Once my hair is laid and my makeup is did, I'm gonna be a brand new bitch. Okay, so if you gonna leave me a comment, it better be something nice. Anyways, regarding this wig, like I said, it's been holding on super strong. Only thing I noticed is that I'm not very delicate when I put my wigs on. So, like, I don't know if it's me, but when I'm trying to take my wig off at night, because I don't sleep with that shit on, I'm just gonna, like, put some soap or oil or whatever to just take off the got-to-be glue at the top of my head. And I'm just gonna, like, wipe it off with some, you know, towel or whatever. And I've noticed that there's some color that leaves the wig and that, you know, is on my towel after I'm done doing that. I don't know if that's usual when you get a wig that is already colored from a company, because I've never did that before. But yeah, I feel like I had to mention that to y'all. It's not like I'm seeing that there's no more color on the wig, you know, like the wig is still colored. It's just that there's some residue or whatever of tint that just goes on my towel. Look at me, I'm all happy and shit. Like, I had no idea I was gonna look this good. I just trusted my girl, and she did her motherfucking thing. Look at that lace, bro. Like, I don't know what the fuck she did to that shit, but listen, I look good. Okay, I was cute. I really wanted to let y'all enjoy the video, but I kind of have to talk during the video so you guys know what I'm doing, and I don't want you guys to get bored or anything. So, you know, what y'all doing? Like, how y'all been? I hope everybody's doing great. I hope everybody's holding up. Y'all know I'm posting one video a week now. Every Sunday at 8 or 7 p.m. I try to be constant. I don't know. But yeah, I do try, and please don't hesitate to give me ideas or tell me what you guys want to see from me for the next videos. Like, I'm in need of inspiration, and I want to put out content that you guys will actually watch. So yeah, look at that shit from up close and personal. My girl was not playing at all, and I'm guessing, because I can't really give you guys the details because I didn't do that, my girl did, but I'm guessing it was easy to bleach, because look at the results. Like, what lace, honey? Because I don't see it. I don't fucking see it. She curled my hair too, and I kept the curls for like 3 days. Let's say 2.5, because I kind of neglected the shit, but the curls were really, really nice. This is me, you know, anticipating that I'm gonna look cute as fuck, and I was fucking right. The next step is gonna be me doing my makeup. I'm gonna explain to you guys the steps that I go through, even though they're very basic, and I don't really use the top-notch, you know, material and whatever. Like, I just do my makeup so I look good, you know? So I'm just gonna guide you guys through the steps that I do. Nothing too special here, just me tracing my eyebrows with a basic brown lip slash brow pencil from my beauty supply store. You guys will see me alternate with the pencil and a brow brush. To be honest, I don't even know where I got that brush. I'm so sorry. This is some brow gel that I also got from the beauty supply store. It came with a brush or like applicator. I use this to fill my brows in, and you can see I don't have much brow hair, so this really saves my life to give me the most natural look possible. I also brushed the little hair that I do have back in place with this random brow gel. It comes with a little like mascara brush to get all of your eyebrow hair, and I stroke it lightly at the beginning of my eyebrow as well to give me a full eyebrow look. Concealer time, not much explaining to do but tracing with it around my eyebrows so I can get the shape that I want. You guys, I know how this sounds like. I know I'm bad at explaining shit, especially makeup, since most of the time I just freestyle that shit. But please, if you have any questions, I'll answer them in the comment section as best as I can. I really love watching tutorials, but I hate making them for real. Applying my foundation, my usual one turns around MAC NC50, but I ran out, so I'm using the drugstore Fit Me one. It does the job. I mean, it's not really my favorite like at all. It doesn't cover as much as I should, but it's foundation. Back with the concealer to highlight my face. Y'all see the places I put it on. I will then blend the whole thing with my beauty blender, and then I'll take my yellow baking powder and dab it directly with my beauty blender. This is the part I was talking to you guys about. You guys will literally see me applying my baking powder on my face directly with my beauty blender instead of letting it sit on my face to bake my face. I don't even know if that makes sense when I tell it to you guys like that, but you guys will see it on the screen. I've seen this method on TikTok, I believe, and the girl was like, doing this is gonna help you reduce flashbacks in pictures, and I was like, bitch, let me try this shit. And it works, so I've been using it ever since. And my powder is drugstore as well. It's called Banana Deep from Revolution. Is it me or this video is going way too fucking fast, bro? Okay, so we're at the contour part, one of my favorite parts because I love shaping my face. I am using this foundation stick that is way darker than my skin. That's why I use it for contour. I got it from my beauty supply store again. Then you will see me going on top of that with a contour brush, and I'll be using the NYX powder to set all of that up. Taking the darkest shade, obviously. I've actually been using this palette for years. Like, I don't know, I think I only bought 2 in like 3 years or something. I don't know, it's lasted with me for a long time, and it's been working super fire, so kudos NYX. Let's not forget the nose. We want to contour this whole face up, you feel me? And fun fact, I feel like my nose contour is what I mess up the most, and it actually gets me so frustrated when I do, you guys. I can't even explain it. Next step, highlight. So I have this highlight brush, and my highlighter is from BH Cosmetics. I've also been using that one for years. It really makes a difference, y'all, to highlight your face. Trust me, it's a part of the whole shaping process, and it just makes your face, it just adds a little touch-ups, I wish I was born with beauty marks, but I was not. So obviously I go in with my eyeliner and trace them to my liking. Next step, lips. I feel like I've been speaking for hours, y'all. I don't know, man. I hate this shit, but you're gonna see me trace my lips with a brown lip liner. Why did I go from lips to my eyeliner? That's so random, but yeah, this is me applying my eyeliner to do my cat eye. Obviously I like my cat eye very long, or no cat eye at all. Like, there no in between for me. Eyelashes to complete my look. These eyelashes come from AliExpress, like all of my eyelashes. I tried to put you guys on, but y'all don't listen. These $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 eyelashes from AliExpress are the best. 3D mink lashes from AliExpress, you guys. Y'all been sleep. Last step. I think this is the last step. If you're a real one, you know that NYX Sandstorm is my go-to for my lips. That's what I'll be applying on my lips, and that will complete my full makeup. Bitch, look at that look I'm giving myself in the mirror. You know I'm fucking feeling myself. Hair laid, makeup did, killed, all of that shit. Oh no, sorry, that wasn't the last step. I forgot to put mascara on my real eyelashes just to blend them in with my fake ones. We have come to the end of this video. Y'all will see me accessorize my outfit. All the pieces come from Fashion Nova. I will link them in the description box, and you guys can see me try those clothes on in my last haul that I posted maybe a week or two ago. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love y'all.